Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I designed the lesson activity on the interactive whiteboard site shown here. I put my title and instructions, part of it, in text boxes shown here. I put the rest in eye-catching sticky notes. You can put arrows showing to another one if you do this and click the little dots. I did another set of sticky notes over here, this time splitting off into two other sticky notes because they are two different videos. Now right here, these are pictures of analog clocks and digital clocks. These pictures I did not upload from my computer. I actually uploaded them from a website, which you can do like this. Here you can insert the URL of the picture you want to use. So instead of clogging up your computer with needless pictures, you can just pick a picture from somewhere else and use it. Now, these were actually cropped from their original pictures, which is pretty great since you don't need to edit it on another editing site. That's pretty much it.